Welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Thursday, May 13, 2021, and as you know, yesterday we were talking about ancient Rome. In Rome, we even did our helmet, like this one, but we're going to finish next class. But let's talk a little about this culture. We learn that they have their god, they have the Colosseum, that it's a wonder of the world, their their fights, their races, the helmet, but well, the vocabulary, the chariot, gladiator, that they used to wear togas, the bela, the bath, soldiers, slaves, Colosseum, amphitheater, all that. But the well, yeah, you saw this one, right? The chariot races. We saw the video. Yeah, we saw it. Yeah, you see the track. They go around circles, and the standards that they will go down. Each lap, all that. The fights, gladiator fights. They used to fight with swords. But did you know that Rome is actually in Italy? Yeah, so you can see that Italy put here in here Rome. A very interesting fact is that the Rome was surrounded by 7 hills, so that's why it was so protected. It was so powerful. Also, the language that they used to use in that time was Latin, that soon to be became Spanish. Yeah, so you can see the alphabet in Latin and how there are words that or letters that are similar to the Spanish alphabet. The L, the R, the T, U, that kind of stuff. So, also what they have and was very popular was the public baths. Public baths were not only used for bathing. No, they also have gardens, stadiums, galleries, and libraries. So that bath was very big, and you can also go read a book or watch art or see the art, or the stadium, the gardens, all that. We can see like a representation here, and we can see an actually bad, well, in that quality, but an actually bad here. The aqueducts, well, Rome was near a river, so to get water, they made these aqueducts that bring water to the city. But there were also underground pathways, o sea, like the Chapo, pasadizos, so you can go and get to places more easily, para que puedas moverte más fácil and in secret. And they also, well, their basic meals were vegetables, fish, beef, salt, fruit, and cheese. That's that thing that they used to eat a lot. So, yeah. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, you can see that's a very interesting culture. Actually, I think it's more interesting than the Egyptian one. They brought a lot of Rome came to here, like the government, but that's tough. You're a child to talk about that. The culture, some of the cultures that they have came here, so that's very interesting. We're going to finish our helmet next class and talk a little about this, but yeah, that's all for today. Have a happy weekend, George, and see you on Monday. Goodbye.